abs file, ABS file. Has this happened to you as well? You've been asked to provide an ABS file, but you're not sure what an ABS file is? Stay put because we are solving the mystery. ABS file is a bending machine file that allows for automatic bending and bar cutting. File format is compatible with the BVPS reinforcement interface guidelines. It can contain some of the following details, such as project and schedule number, revision, bar mark and length, bar quantity and weight, steel diameter, and grade and mandrel diameter. We can export it from Allplan by opening the list under the reinforcement report and then activating bending machine option. Here we can choose a file path. Underneath the path we can define the name of the file. Below it, opt for creating different files for each assembly, or insert all assemblies into a single file. And lastly, if desired, enter the layout information. When finished with filling out the data, we can export the file by clicking on Next. And with this, we have finished creating an ABS file. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.